Kia ora! Hello gardening folks! My name is Muhammad Asif from Rotorua. I love to grow veggies without any weather restraints, and I grow all year to get fresh veggies and save money in the current economic crisis. DIY vertical hydroponic system for home project overview. Build a simple and efficient DIY hydroponic system at home using vertical layers of food-grade PVC pipes. This system will allow you to grow up to 48 plants using minimal space, making it ideal for urban settings or indoor gardening. The system integrates water and irrigation management, utilizing a pump to ensure consistent nutrient delivery to all plants. System design. 1. Structure layout vertical layers. 4 vertical layers. Pipes per layer, 2 pipes per layer. Total pipes, 8 pipes, 4 layers x 2 pipes. Plant capacity. Each pipe has 6 plant holes, resulting in 48 plant holes in total. Layer number of pipes, plants per pipe, total plants per layer. Layer number of pipes, plants per pipe, total plants per layer. 1, 2, 6, 12, 2, 2, 6, 12, 3, 2, 6, 12, 4, 2, 6, 12, total 8, 48, 2. Materials required: PVC pipes, food grade PVC pipes 4 inches in diameter, PVC elbows and connectors to join pipes and manage water flow, PVC pipe caps to seal the ends of pipes, net pots, small net pots 3 inches for holding plants. Grow medium, cocoa coir, rock wool, or clay pebbles. Submersible water pump for circulating nutrient-rich water. Water reservoir, a container 20-30 liters to store water. Irrigation tubing and fittings for water delivery. Nutrient solution, hydroponic liquid nutrients, A and B solution. Timer to automate the pump for water circulation. Supporting frame, a sturdy frame, wood or metal to hold the PVC pipes vertically. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Build the structure. Cut the PVC pipes. Cut 8 pieces of food-grade PVC pipe to 4 feet in length. Drill 6 evenly spaced holes, 3 inches in diameter, along each pipe for net pots. Assemble the frame. Create a sturdy vertical frame with 4 levels using wood or metal. Position 2 PVC pipes horizontally on each layer. Secure the pipes. Use brackets or clamps to attach the pipes firmly to the frame. Step 2. Set up water and irrigation management. Install the reservoir. Place a 20-30 liter water reservoir at the base of the structure. Connect the water pump. Position a submersible pump in the reservoir and connect it to irrigation tubing. Run irrigation lines. Attach irrigation tubing to the pipes to distribute water to each level. Use small holes or drip emitters to ensure water reaches the plant roots. Create drainage. Drill small drainage holes at the bottom of each PVC pipe to allow excess water to flow back into the reservoir. Connect a return pipe leading excess water back to the reservoir. Set up the pump timer. Configure the timer to run the pump for 10-15 minutes every 1 to 2 hours. Adjust based on plant requirements. Step 3. Planting. Prepare the net pots. Fill net pots with the growing medium, cocoa coir, rock wool, or clay pebbles. Insert seedlings or plants into the net pots. Insert net pots. Place the net pots into the drilled holes on the PVC pipes. Add nutrient solution. Mix the hydroponic nutrient solution with water in the reservoir. Check the pH level. Target 5.5, 6.5. Step 4. Maintenance. Monitor water levels. Refill the reservoir with fresh nutrient solution as needed, typically every 1 to 2 weeks. Check pump function. Ensure the pump is circulating water properly to all levels. Nutrient solution. Regularly test and adjust pH and nutrient concentration. Inspect plants. Look for signs of growth, pests, or nutrient deficiencies. Key benefits: space efficient.